we get from Olivia. Glutathione C. Glutathione with collagen. I got 3. Get this Lactofit. So 3. Enzyme, pineapple enzyme. Okay, I ordered 3 as well. And another pineapple enzyme, different brand, BB Lab. I tried the collagen from BB Lab and I like it, so that's why now I try the pineapple enzyme. Oh, I thought 3, it's only 2. I'm pretty sure I ordered, or maybe 2. This one, just 1. This is also just 1. Oh, I got Mediheal because I've been using the tea tree, what is it, corner pad, and I like it, so now I ordered the mask as well. So this one is tea tree, and this one, I don't know how to pronounce it, Madikasosat, I don't know. This one, Mediheal as well. This is tea tree. It's I think it's daily mask. This and another one, Mediheal. Same one. Sorry. I've been using this one and I quite like it. So when they have like 2 + 1, so I ordered this one as well. Oh yeah, this one actually, I also been using this one, and I can tell like my hair, I have a lot of baby hair. I'm not sure because of this one or all the combination, the collagen, this one, and the shampoo as well. I also used the shampoo, so because it was on discount, so I bought 2 of them. Okay, I've been using the collagen from BB Lab, and now they have this container. Normally they only have this one and pink one, so because they have this one, so I ordered this one as well, and I got 2. Okay, and I also ordered this one, the iron. I haven't tried. I still have one that I haven't used, but I think this is on discount as well, so that's why I bought this one. This one actually I haven't tried, but yeah, I heard a lot of good things, so I ordered. Oh, and this one I just want to try, so I just ordered one. Oh, I'm pretty sure I ordered another one as well. And haha, look what I got. I got the advent calendar. How do I open it? So, oh, today is the 2nd, December the 2nd. So let's just open one. What is this? Johnson Mall! Yay! Okay, put it back in here. Oh, they even give like the shopping bag. So you can put the advent calendar inside. I think in order to get this advent calendar, you have to purchase, not sure, like 399 US dollar, or I don't know. I cannot remember. It's like 500 something in Australian dollar. So yeah, that's the reason why I bought all of this stuff. Let's see. Haha. So this is all the stuff. Ta-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da. Look at the mess. So yeah, this is all my purchase from Olive Young.